OMG. OMG! We've got a brand new box! Welcome back to Saving Mamacita, your home for Rate That Box. That's right, we do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings, quarterly unboxings from various niches, including but not limited to
pet boxes, snack boxes, food boxes, lifestyle boxes, beauty boxes, self-care boxes, you name it, we unbox it right here at Saving Mamacita.
We do product hauls as well as other fun lifestyle videos as well that I cannot wait to show you what I have in store for us today. Today, I want to hear you all say, oh, 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 oh. That's right. We are unboxing a box called Vineoh. I am so excited to introduce this box to you. Yes, it is a brand new box to my channel. And yes, it is going to be a lot of fun because this is a wine box. A subscription wine box. But that's not all. It's more than just a wine box. So Vineoh, go to Vine, vineoh.com to check out their website, Wine and Surprises Box for Her. They're delivered 4 times per year. It ships free. And today it's only $59.99. And you're looking at $163 plus value on this bad boy. And I've got something super fun for you guys, exclusive for my followers only, so you're gonna have to stick around and find out what that is all about. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox Vineoh. It came in this big box. It's huge, it's kind of heavy. On the side, it says Sips and Surprises. On this side, it says vineoh.com. Looks like this. We've got a Vineoh box like this. We've got our wine bottles secure on the bottom. OMG. We've got a bottle here, and we've got a bottle here. Look at this, you guys. Right off the top, we have a brochure. Vineoh Sips and Surprises Ooh La La box. We love a little bit of ooh la la. It has a little description of each item. Oh my goodness. We have some mouth party caramels or caramels, however you might say that. These are a value of $4. They may not have invented caramel, but Mouth Party Caramel sure has perfected it. Slow cooked in small batches and made to order in a nut-free facility, their secret recipe is a combination of just 5 simple ingredients, creating something utterly transcendent. So it has their website on the bottom along with a code if you are interested in buying any more. And what I love about this is a portion of their annual profits are donated to local cancer research and support organizations. Love that. Should we try these? Mouth Party. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me right now? That is definitely a mouth party. I need to go get myself some more of those. Next up, we have a hat. How cute is that? Willow Collective, it's a black hat. And look at that line. Oh my goodness. Look at that lining of that hat. Oh. Super warm, super cozy, super adorable. Look at that poem. Next up, oh, looks like we have a tumbler. This is awesome. This is probably probably wine, like a pink color. And then the top is a gold. Look at that. Isn't that cute? This Willow Collective tumbler is $20 value on that. A little sassy and a little fun. The Willow Collective, this is probably wine tumbler, says it all. Double wall insulated with an easy slide top. Keep any beverage of your choice hot or cold on the go. It holds 16 ounces of whatever gets you through the day. Oh, cheers. Yes, yes, you can never have enough of these, that is for sure. What is this? Look at this. This is fancy. Ooh, this is totally me, you guys. Gemma Simone Tori Stackable Bracelet Set. $35. Classic, made for mixing and matching. This black, white, and gold bracelet set features 5 neutral bracelets that make for the perfect accessory. You can wear this stack as a set or wear them individually to complete your look. Each beaded bracelet is stretchy so that it will fit almost any wrist size. Keep it casual or dress it up. Oh, cute. Those colors, I mean, it's pretty basic, but I love black and I love gold. So yes, this is absolutely me. Aren't those pretty? Goodness, how cute is this? Must be a bonus they threw in there too, because I'm not seeing it on the brochure. How cute is that? Rhinestones in it. What is this? Laritzy Cosmetics. It's an artistry palette, cruelty-free and vegan. It's a black with gold palette. Okay, let's open it up. This is totally me. Love those colors. Oh my gosh. Next up, we've got the Julep Beauty. Julep Beauty Facial Wipes, $20. This is freaking huge. So huge. Naturally effective ingredients. Glycerin boosts the glow. Olive oil moisturizes and hydrates. And witch hazel, ingredient that I freaking love, deep cleans the pores. So why you need it? Simplify your beauty routine with these 2-in-1 wipes that gently remove makeup plus impurities while refining the pores and toning the skin. How to use it? You simply cloth across the skin. You swipe the cloth across the skin to gently remove all the makeup, even waterproof mascara, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse, and good for all skin types. This is called the Foldable Backpack. And yes, it is leopard print. This is a Willow Collective brand foldable backpack. It comes in a zipper pouch. No, it doesn't come in a pouch. It is a pouch. You simply unfold it and boom, there it is. Look at that. Fill it up, fold it up. This versatile backpack is the perfect accessory to carry wine, snacks, and other daily essentials. It features adjustable straps, 2 mesh side pockets, and a front zippered pocket. It also folds up for easy storage until your next adventure. The stylish leopard print will have your friends hissing with jealousy. Oh, for fun. Value on this is $36. I love this little backpack. Definitely gonna use it. Zipper here, and then a zipper pocket on the front. Super adorable. The Wicked Bliss wine. Look at that. This is a California Chardonnay. We raise a glass to those who break the unwritten rules of life. Maybe all be bold enough to play hooky, eat cake for breakfast, and shatter glass ceilings in the pursuit of wicked bliss. It's a Chardonnay. I love Chardonnays. This one is called Loverly Red Blend. I also love a red blended wine. Loverly is knowing what brings joy and happiness to your life. From a quiet walk in a beautiful garden to the rush of excitement in finding a new love, revel in the peace and euphoria it brings to your soul. This feeling is what inspired our new wine, so loverly with every sip. I can't wait to try these. Oh my goodness. That concludes the vineoh subscription box. We're gonna go ahead, do a quick review, and then you're gonna do our thing and give them their very first rating. All right, so quick review. We got the bracelets, The leopard print collapsible backpack, the hat, the artistry palette, the tumbler, the necklace, the beauty wipes, the caramels, and the 2 bottles of wine. All of those items, $59.99. You can't beat that. We're gonna go ahead and we are going to give vineoh their very first rating. Go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the way the box is presented, and that includes whether or not they have a postcard, a paper with information regarding the products in the box. For me personally, I love to see a nice description of the items in the box. To give a little background or a description of the items is always perfect in my book. And then adding on the retail value of each item is also very awesome for me, simply because I love to see the value of the items. That way I can know whether or not the price of the box is worth purchasing. Also, I love the variety of the items of the box is what we base it on, and we also base the rating on the quality of the items in the box. So, based on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being don't buy that box, or 10, yes queen, you need to buy this box.
A few moments later.
I love the variety of the items in this box. Very surprising with some of these things that were thrown in this box, considering it is a wine subscription box. I love that. I love getting the wine, and I love getting some girly things, some fun things to kind of round out the entire box. I love that. What do you guys think? What would you rate this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. We need to hit that drum roll, please. Vineoh, you are gonna get your very first rating of a 10. You have received the very first 10 rating from Saving Mama. Love it. I love everything about this box. I love all of the items included in this box. There were a couple fun free gifts they threw in as well. It was packaged beautifully. The descriptions were there. The prices were there. Everything was there. This box is perfect. My followers, you are in for a real treat. You are going to get this box for this very special rate right here. And you're gonna get a free gift as well. So if you're interested in this box for yourself or for a friend, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, subscribe button, notification bell, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.